Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first session on the topic of general knowledge and current affairs. In this particular series, we will be looking at various videos. Each video will comprise of 50 questions, 50. All right, and we will be answering questions from various areas. We'll be looking at currencies of countries, we'll be looking at recent brand ambassadors, awards and achievements, sports, etc. All right, so what I want you to do with me is have a book and a pen ready. Whatever questions you can note down, you ideally should note down, because it will help you keep a repository of all the questions and you'll be able to refer to it later as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the content of this particular video. Okay, let's look at the first question. What do we have as the first question? The question says, who is the current CEO 2021 of Accenture Worldwide? And we have four options given to us. The first one is Casper Rosted, Julie Sweet, Lisa Su, and Ben Verwaayen. The correct answer in this case is Julie Sweet. All right. Couple of things with respect to Julie Sweet. Julie Teresa Sweet is an American business executive. She is Chief Executive Officer of Accenture, which is a multinational professional services company. All right. Let's get the next question. What is the tagline of the news channel Aaj Tak? All right. So it taglines are a very commonly asked questions in your MBA entrance exams for the GK section. So it's important that you know the taglines of most of the brands. All right. So let's start. The first option says Mazboot irade बढ़ते कदम. Second, सबसे तेज. Third, भरोसा भारत का. And D, देश बदलना है तो चैनल बदलो. Now, one of the tips that I can give you is that when it comes to a news channel, now that you know that Aaj Tak is a Hindi news channel, ideally in your exam you can eliminate answer options based on whether it's an English tagline or a Hindi tagline. But here, to make the question a little difficult, we've included all the Hindi taglines itself. The correct answer, and I hope you guys have been able to get it, is B, which is Sabse Tez. Alright, Aaj Tak is an Hindi Indian language news channel owned by TV Today Network, part of the New Delhi based media conglomerate Living Media Group. Right, let's look at the next question. Guess the brand from the incomplete logo given below. We'll have an image here. Alright, this is the incomplete logo of a brand, and you need to guess what the brand is from the answer options. Let's look at the answer options. Bank of Scotland, Bank of America, Barclays, and Royal Bank of London. I hope you guys have got the correct answer. The correct answer in this case is Barclays. All right, Barclays PLC is a British multinational universal bank headquartered in London, England. Barclays operates as two divisions, Barclays UK and Barclays International, supported by a service company, Barclays Execution Services. All right, let's move on to the next question. In which of the following states will the 36th Indian National Games be played? Alright, 36th Indian National Games. So there are four state options given to us: Goa, Kerala, Mizoram, and Maharashtra. The correct answer in this case is Goa. Alright, the Indian Olympic Association recently asked the Goa government that it must host the National Games as scheduled from 20th of October to 4th of November this year. Right? Let's move on to the next question. What is the currency of Malaysia? Now, currency is another important type of question asked in exams, more so in your SNAP or exams which have GK in it. All right. So important to note these things. SNAP, CMAT can ask you questions around currency. All right. So we'll be addressing a few of these questions in this series as well. Let's look at the answer options. Malaysian rupee, Malaysian ringgit, Malaysian rial, and taka. Alright. Now let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer is Malaysian ringgit. Right? Malaysian ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. Right? Now you might get confused with the R's. Okay, so these answer options are decided on purpose, guys. All right, so we've tried to keep it a little difficult. Nonetheless, you should remember that ringgit is the right R word for the Malaysian currency. All right, let's move on to the next question. Who was recently appointed as the brand ambassador of Pagar Book? All right, recently appointed brand ambassador है Pagar Book app का. All right, so we have options: Akshay Kumar, Amir Khan, Salman Khan, and Amitabh Bachchan. The correct answer in this case is Akshay Kumar. Alright, so Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar has been roped in as the brand ambassador of staff management solutions provider Pagar Book till the year 2022. This is another important part that you can remember. Say, for example, a question asks you for how long is Akshay Kumar associated with Pagar Book. The correct answer is 2022. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Next question is, who was awarded Miss India USA 2021? Miss India USA award किसे मिला है? Alright, so we have four options: Vrushali Nayak, Vaidehi Dongre, Manushi Chillar, and Preeti Chabra. Correct answer in this case is Vaidehi Dongre. Alright, Vaidehi Dongre was awarded as Miss India USA 2021. Right, that is what you need to remember. Let's move on to the next question. Who is the author of the book? Now, guys, again, books is another section very frequently asked. If there is any book which is recently in the news or any book which is recently launched, very important that you know the author of the book. All right. So, who is the author of the book? Why We Kneel, How We Rise. All right. So, there are four options: K.J. Alphonse, Michael Kelling, Anthony Holding, and Jack Ma. All right. Let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer is Michael Anthony Holding, right? Who was born on 16th of February 1954. He's a Jamaican cricketer, commentator, and former cricket player who played for the West Indies cricket team. So clearly, the book of Why We Kneel and How We Rise will be around cricket. So if in case question pops up around, say for example, a recently released book on cricket, the correct answer to the title of the book is Why We Kneel, How We Rise. All right, so that can also be another question posed. Next one: International Atomic Energy Agency, okay, IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency, is headquartered in, where is it headquartered? All right, so you have options: Switzerland, Australia, Austria, and USA. The correct answer in this case is Austria. Let's learn a little about this particular agency. Now, the International Atomic Energy Agency is an international organization that seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy and to inhibit its use for any military purpose, including nuclear weapons. It is headquartered in Austria. All right, let's move on to the next question. Who is the current chairman? All right, chairman 2021 of Aditya Birla Group. Now, it's important to know the difference between a chairman and a CEO, guys. Do not get confused. Let's look at the answer options: Aditya Vikram Birla, Neerja Birla, Kumar Mangalam Birla, and Santrupt Misra. All right, so these are the four answer options. Three answer options out of which are Birlas. So you may be a little focused towards that, but which Birla exactly is the question, and the correct answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. All right, Kumar Mangalam Birla is an Indian billionaire industrialist and the chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, one of the largest conglomerates in India. Let's move on to the next question. The taglines. So we've been given the tagline and we need to figure out which brand is associated with this particular tagline. The tagline says, thinking big, doing better. All right. Which of the following companies has this tagline? You have four options: Accenture, Intel, Adani Group, and HCL. All right. So what's my correct answer? The correct answer in this case is Adani Group. All right. Now, what's Adani Group? Adani Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate headquartered in Ahmedabad. It was founded by Gautam Adani in 1988 as a commodity trading business with the flagship company Adani Enterprises Limited. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Guess the brand from the incomplete logo given below. Again, we have another logo question, and let's look at the incomplete logo. So I want you guys to pause even before you get to the options. Just have a look at it, think about it. Do you know this logo in any way? Right? These are going to be incomplete logos. So it will not have the text associated with it, because if you give the text away, you'll know the answer immediately. Alright, so let's look at the answer options. More Pen Labs, Walmart, Adani Group, and Marico. So if you cannot guess the logo just by looking at it, possibly the answer options can help you. And I hope you guys have got this correct. The correct answer is Walmart. Alright. Walmart Inc. is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores from the United States. Right. Let's move on to the next question. ASIAD, which is ASIAD 2022, will be held in which of the following countries? We have four options: South Korea, Sri Lanka, China, and India. The correct answer in this case is China, right? The 2022 Asian Games, also known as the 11th ASIAD, will be a multi sport event celebrated in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, China from 10th to 25th of September 2022. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Dinar is a currency. You need to choose which of the following countries does this currency belong to, right? So we have four options given to us. One is Kuwait, UAE, Cambodia, and Kenya. Okay, dinar is the currency that we are referring to. The correct answer option in this case is Kuwait, right? So Kuwaiti dinar is the currency of Kuwait. Again, you will not have the entire currency given to you, like the entire name. It wouldn't be Kuwaiti dinar, because it's very easy to get the answer then, right? So you'll only be asked about dinar. Another thing, another sly thing to ensure this question is correct or can mislead candidates is UAE has dirham as their currency. Okay, so DD can get confusing. So do not get confused with that respect. All right. So Kuwaiti dinar is the currency of Kuwait. Let's